channel. It's been a while. It's been probably about 8 to 9 weeks since I've done anything on car. But I did do some footage at the beginning of July. So at the beginning of this video you're going to see some footage that I did in July. And then after about 4 minutes we're all up to date. I've just been chilling and seeing how things go. In this I just ask about the cross member meeting up to the inner, what do you call it, sill, the inner sill that goes on the car. If anybody can give me any answers, that'll be fantastic. I hope you enjoyed the video. Car's turned over. What I'm thinking of, this is just a mock-up line of where I think it should go. So I'm not sure whether I should come a bit. I've just drawn, obviously this needs to come out because of that bolt that's in there. I still haven't bought some new bolts yet. But I'm going to have to get that off. I'm sure there's you can buy these brackets, I don't know what they're called. But there's not a bracket there anyway. I don't know how that comes off. We'll soon find out. I don't think I'm going to be putting the floor any further down than that. Probably come further down. I'm not going to take the whole lot out because there's absolutely no point. I'm not going to be taking the floor out any further than that. There's no point. There's nothing wrong with any of that. So why cut all this out and dig through all that when I can just come off the top of that? Probably have to cut that out of my old one and then sort of blend it into that somehow. So I want to cut that out. A lot of rust there, unless it's, most of it will probably sealer, but I'm going to presume that that's a lot of rust. And obviously that's where that bracket was. That was rubbish. I need to get that off as well. So what I want to do, I'm going to put a line down here where the centre is. I'm going to measure across there and find the centre and draw a line, so that when I come to I'm going to leave that one in, so that when I put the subframe back in, I can sort of bolt it to there, and then at least I know that I've got a bolt ready, and then I just need to put the top one in. I can fasten it all down. It should be good. But what I'm probably going to do, I'm probably just going to cut probably a 1.5 centimetres, maybe 2 centimetres away from that line. So I might even just come down. It looks wobbly, it looks all over the place. So I might need to get my spirit level out here and just draw a line. And when I was talking earlier on about these bolts, I might just come before it. I know that I'm going to have to make one for that one. That one just fell off. Probably going to have to do that one as well over there. So probably just going to get my spirit level and just draw a line across there where it's going to be. I just thought I'd ask a question, if anybody can answer me. Now, I'm not 100% positive, but I'm sort of certain that it's not supposed to look like this. So I've just taken that piece off, and I may be wrong, I'm not sure, but obviously there's that tab there's missing, that tab's still intact, but isn't this floor and this side piece supposed to go over the top on this side of the car and not on the inside? So this piece here, that's not supposed to be on the top, and the cross member welds to the inside of the car, because it looks like when it comes across here that this panel here pushes outwards so that it's not level, and I'm sure it's supposed to run flat across there, and then it tucks down behind this sill. If anybody can let me know, that'd be fantastic, because I'm thinking that I might just cut it out and then put it where it's supposed to be. Because if you look here, the floor, this piece here where the floor is, has been welded on the inside of the car. I don't know whether you'll be able to see it, but that piece there is on the inside of the car and not the outside of the car. If anybody can let me know in the comments, that'd be fantastic, because I'm about 80% positive that is supposed to go to the inside of the car. Anyway, if anyone can let me know, that'd be fantastic. Thanks.